Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahbana. I'm from group 2. In here I want to explain about countable and uncountable nouns. In here I have four table of contents. The first is definition of countable and uncountable nouns. The second is identifying countable and uncountable nouns. The third is using countable and uncountable nouns, and the last is Q&A. Definition: countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted in a unit of numbers that the number can be seen specifically. Countable nouns have a solid and clear form. These nouns also have singular and plural noun. The singular form is usually marked with special features in the form of articles a or an. For plural forms, there is usually an s or a s, an ending at the end of the noun. In uncountable nouns is a noun that cannot be counted. In other words, units of number cannot describe the amount with certainty. 3. Say much, many, few, little in countable and uncountable. A. Many and much. Many is used to declare things that can be counted or well. What we can countable nouns. Whereas much is used to declare things that cannot be counted or what to call uncountable nouns. Number and amount. Number and amount have the same meaning. What distinguishes the two is regarding their use in an English sentence. If you use countable nouns, you must use number. Conversely, if you compose words that have uncountable nouns, you should use amount instead of number. J. Few and little. These two words have the same meaning, which is a little. The only difference is that the word few is used for countable nouns and the words little refer more to uncountable nouns. D. Fewer and less. Fewer and less have the same meaning, namely fewer. The use of these two words has the same principle as few and less, where fewer is used for countable nouns while less is used for uncountable nouns. Same and any have the same meaning, namely several. These two words are commonly used to express nouns that have an intermediate number of plural, countable nouns or uncountable nouns. In the second material is identifying countable and uncountable nouns. In countable nouns, Ricky has 10 snowball. In the word 10 snowball, I state that the word 10 is a countable noun because the number can still be counted. 2. Uncountable nouns usually didn't have much tea and coffee left. Of the words above, it shows that the sentence is included in uncountable nouns because it's every word it uses the word much, which the word much is definitely included in uncountable because it refers to object that we cannot consciously count. 3. Using countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns sentences are usually created from a question plus how many. So, in order to better understand what a countable noun is, consider the example below. After knowing some singular and plural words, now is the time to apply example of these words into a sentence. Uncountable nouns. As you know, both countable and uncountable nouns are related to singular verb. Before moving on the example sentence, consider the following example of words that belong to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns: love, tea, sugar, water. After knowing example of words for uncountable nouns, here's how to apply the example of words to the sentence. That's my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.